So what's the rage about DORA? It really started early 2018 with the release of the book Accelerate, Building and Scaling High Performance Technology Organizations. This book brought together for the first time a catalog of the best practices, the processes, and the metrics from reviewing hundreds of organizations on what contributed to high-performing DevOps teams. It was also foundational in that it was the first time that key performance indicators that allowed organizations and teams to assess themselves internally as well as compare themselves externally had been available. It also encouraged more communication between the developers and the operations teams. So what is DORA? DORA is both a foundation and an assessment framework that stands for DevOps Research and Assessment that aims to improve how organizations deliver software faster with higher reliability and higher quality. It's built around 5 key foundational areas. The first is continuous improvement. Continuous improvement means we are planning to deliver the value of DevOps maturity through iteration and incrementally. It also then moves into a foundation of collaboration and a shared responsibility. This means that teams need to have high bandwidth communication amongst themselves, as well as breaking down of the traditional silos that exist. This is supported through metrics-driven performance assessment, the big 4 KPIs that we're going to talk about later, as well as a foundation of an emphasis on automation. This is to eliminate repetitive and error-prone tasks that lead to conditions of failure and complexity and friction in an organization's delivery methodology. All of this is supported through a culture of learning and experimentation from the organization perspective, the team perspective, the management. This is there to support the overall evolution of those increments and iterations that we discussed earlier for the teams.